Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. Today will just be a short, really quick video here where I share what I'm working on with my slot car track at the moment. During the last year or so I've been making a lot of 3D models for slot car tracks, but I haven't really integrated them into my track yet. So I decided to use some of this holiday for getting all of those models mounted or attached to my track. Right here we see two printers working on a pit wall and pit section for my good old track. And I have currently 5 printers working on this project at the same time because I really want to finish the remaining models today so I can attach them to the track. If we take a look over here, we can see the track itself. This is the pit section, and as you can see I have already attached something. I have added this really cool light bridge that even has working lights down here below it. I just need to attach all of the wires. Then we have the pit wall right here, and it just looks really cool. All of the pit buildings can be removed, so you can paint them up. I need to attach screens in here. I need to fix that chair I just broke, and I need to add some people down here. Luckily I have already sculpted and painted some of those. So as this is a 2-lane analog track, I've decided to make 2 pit wall buildings and 2 garages. So this track will feature 1 garage over here and 1 over here, and then I made a central building just to make everything fit and seem more neatly. On the sides of this pit garage there will be a stair going up that will end up in a VIP section. So on the roof of this track, this is just the roof parts. As you can see, I've made alignment pins in them, so this should fit fairly easy. And on this roof there will be a small building, probably a buffet or something, and then cafe tables and a lot of VIPs sitting here. There'll also be some railings and so on. So it's going to look really incredible. There are lights installed both in the garages and from the front of the garage down here over the lane. I'm also going to replace some of this catch fence with the LED strip version I made, if it's required, because I don't know how much light this is going to make. So that is a bit of a standby, but I might do it because I actually like the look of this. But that is the reason why I haven't glued any of this in place yet. It looks good as it is, but just see how it turns out when the lights get turned on in those garages and the light bridge get turned on. When the printers are finished with their work, I am going to paint these buildings up so they look like this podium. I'm going for this white spotted look here with some gray and dark gray in it. So it's going to look both like that building over here and the podium over here. So I'll end up having a complete section here with the pit wall and podium and this VIP Marshall Tower over here. So I think this is going to be a really impressive upgrade on my slot car track. And all of these are 3D printed buildings I have done myself. The people here are people I have sculpted myself in Blender, and I think this is a really massive upgrade for my slot car track. So looking forward to finishing this, and I just heard one of the printer finishing its work over there. So I'm going to do some painting now and post another video when I have an update. Thank you all for watching and happy racing everyone.